What I have here is a Ninja wood fire grill. I won this in a drawing. These are the chips. It comes with 2 packs. 2 packs, and each pack you can make up to 6 meals with the wood fire chips. Now, I'm thinking to myself, this is a blessing in disguise because I'm trying to eat healthy. And now I started to preheat the oven because I'm going to make me some chicken, drumsticks, and some roast. But I'm wondering, why is it smoking like this? Is this normal? But as I read the manual, yes it is. It will eventually start to cool down within 3 to 4 minutes of it preheating. But once the bell goes off, bing, it's ready for the food to be loaded into the Ninja grill. This is the fun part, you guys. They say it don't take long for it to cook, and when it does cook, the food remains its moisture and it's juicy and it's tender. Oh wow, I can't wait. But let's see what it do. Let's see what it do.
What?
This is what the outside looks like. And this is what it looks like when it's preheating. You see the dots? It does that until it beep. And it tells you open and to load the grill. You can also do a lot of things with this. You can dehydrate food. You can boil it, grill it. You can bake it, fry it. I mean, the list goes on and on. But this is what I'm cooking. I'm cooking 3 leg quarters and a beef roast. Let's see what it do. Now, I know I'm using my fingers. It's not the appropriate thing to do, but hey, guess what? This is my channel, and I call the shots. So yes, I'm doing this way. Now, I'm checking it for the second time, and I'm wondering, wow, this thing is cooking fast. And now I'm starting to say to myself, I hope it don't be dried out. Although it says it's juicy, and it cooks really fast. Now, this beef roast starting to look really good. But you guys, I realized maybe I should have cooked the beef roast on a lower setting, because right now this is on high. And as you see, the beef roast is cooking a little bit too fast. But not to fear, I'm still going to make it do what it do. If it's not going to be for me, it's going to be for my dog. So I decided to go ahead and put it on medium. I want to cook it a little bit longer. Because my thing is, if it cooks too fast and looks like, I just don't understand. I just don't know. So I'm one of those types, I like my food well done. I just hope it don't bite me in the booty. When I say real done, we're going to see. Now, yeah, the chicken leg quarters are looking mighty tasty. But the roast beef is looking good too. But it's just not giving that done look. But you guys, the chicken leg quarters is done. It is looking mighty good. And it is tender and juicy. I believe this is a keeper in my book. If you don't think so, please comment down below and tell me why you think so. Why is it that? It's good to me, and that's all that matters, but your comment is important too. Now this is the roast, beef roast. Yes, I did overcook it. I overcooked it, but not to fear. This is gonna be a dog treat for my little Rosie. She's gonna enjoy this. So comment down below, you guys. Is this Ninja wood fire grill a keeper, or is it a dipper? Pass and dip it on through. Don't stop. I say it's worth it. I think it's worth it. So you guys, please comment down below, share, and subscribe to my channel. And you guys, y'all stay blessed. And remember, You got this in the bucket.
Got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want.